Do you know when you see something and you just think, wow, this is a real wow vehicle? Ford Ranger. Now, just arrived. If you're looking for something a little bit different that'll turn heads, then this is it. VAT qualifying plus VAT. It's a 24-plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak that has had thousands and thousands of pounds spent on it to make it look like this. You know, a lot of people would, you know, not even attempt to make something look like this because it's time, it's effort, and it's certainly money. Well, this has already been done in frozen white on a 24 plate. It's done 4,000 miles. And it's fabulous, it really is. If you look at the modifications that have been done, there's nothing else you would need to do to this. The LED front light grille, the bull bar to the bottom, the light pod on the top, the arch extensions which are colour coded, and then the 20-inch wheels with Renegade All Terrain Tyres. That's my favourite bit, the wheels and tyres on this. The tyres are massive. You know, if you're looking for a truck to use for work, or for me, I know for a fact I don't need a truck, but I would happily buy this and drive it around because it is something a little bit special. It's got electric roller shutter, it's got Towbar, it's got tech pack with adaptive cruise, 360 camera and blind spot assist, as well as all the other options you get on one of these new Wildtraks. It is truly, truly stunning. Not being used for any heavy use at all. It's low line in the back. Like I say, we've got the electric roller shutter on there, which is £2,000 plus VAT. You've got the tow bar with electrics, which is another cost. And then all the detailings you get on these new Rangers with the embossed Ranger at the bottom, LED front and rear light, little steps and bars to help you now get into the back if you need to. Just fabulous, it really is. It's a crew cab, so you've got 5 seats with Isofix. Obviously the Wildtrak coming really, really nicely fitted out inside with the leather, the orange stitching. It's very, very sporty inside. But like I say, it is that little bit different. You've got steps. It's a 2-litre Ecoblue bi-turbo engine, so relatively fuel efficient. In the new Rangers now, we've got the Ford Sync 4 system with sport seat, driver electric seat, ambient light, loads and loads of features to go through on this. So, jumping in, it's really nice this, like, obviously it's about the exterior look, isn't it? But in these new Rangers, you've got, in this particular truck, things like the top view camera and the reversing camera. We've also got different views to select, especially if you're going to hook something up. We've got a towing camera, as you can see. We've got heated steering wheel, we've got adaptive cruise, we've got heated seats, we've got climate control, we've got wireless smartphone integration. It's got the little control for the roller shutter as well. The vehicle comes with 2 keys. Everything you're going to want in a commercial vehicle this has got. And I think if you want one that looks different, we've got the best selection of trucks I think, I've worked here a long time, we've ever had. This is one of them just to add to those. They'll all sell very, very quickly, but this is truly special. It's on the website now. It's plus VAT. It's got warranty with Ford until 2027. Amazing. Thanks for watching.